So I'm doing my New Year's resolutions, and I had resolved to post this video. I wrote a letter that's below the video here about what I'm offering. I'm a 30-year recruiter, 25-year entrepreneur, and I've helped thousands of people find jobs. So when I helped my kids a few years ago find work and then help them start their own companies, I had this little epiphany that I have a lot of knowledge that's quite practical that a lot of people could use, because essentially we're all constantly in career transition. And so if you've got the motivation to seek some other form of meaningful work, that could be a job, or it could be starting your own business, or maybe a new job and a side gig. Don't box yourself in. Those options are all available to you. I can help. And what I've done is I put together a free 30-minute call, and it'll be a little Q&A between you and me, and we'll determine where you've been, where you are, where you want to go, what's in the way, and how I might be able to help. And at the end of that 30 minutes, you'll have some ideas, and I'll also ask you if you want more help. And more help will cost you money, but it will also go really deep and really broad into your customized solution. Typically, those solutions, in my experience, have been from 1 hour to 3 hours of additional consultation. And I've achieved kind of massive shifts for people, because when you're in that career transition space, there's fear, there might be shame, there's certainly anxiety. What do I do? Where do I go? Who do I talk to? I've got all those answers. And I don't mean to sound cocky when I say that. It's just 30 years of practice. And so I'm putting that in a bottle, offering it to you in this new year. It's a good time to think about this kind of stuff. What does your life have in terms of meaning? What should you be doing? What's your purpose? And then the tactical execution of how to get there. If that resonates with you, the links are in the body of the article below this video, and I'd love to be able to help. So let me know. All you need to do when you get to the site, 7pillarsglobal.com/personal-coaching, is enter your name and email. There'll be a pop-up. You'll get on my free newsletter and be asked to give me your best contact information, phone number and email. And within, I would imagine, 48 hours, I should be able to reach back out, and we can schedule that free 30-minute call. I'd love to help. Happy New Year, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.